Welcome. Today, we're diving into how athletes can improve performance through the power of mindfulness. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, this session is designed to enhance your focus, reduce stress, and elevate your game. Meditation isn't just about sitting quietly, it's a tool for mental training that sharpens your focus and resilience. We'll explore how mindfulness can decrease anxiety, boost concentration, and help athletes overcome setbacks and injuries. Research shows that meditation can enhance an athlete's ability to concentrate, maintain greater control under pressure, and improve overall performance. It's used by elite athletes around the world to gain a mental edge in competitive environments. Let's walk through some meditation techniques specifically tailored for athletes. We'll start with breathing exercises to control heart rate and calm the mind, followed by visualization techniques to improve focus and execution. Find a comfortable seated position. We'll focus on deep, rhythmic breathing to enhance lung capacity and control anxiety. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and repeat. Concentrate on the flow of your breath. Now, imagine yourself in a challenging part of your sport. Visualize handling the situation perfectly, executing your skills flawlessly. Feel the success and store this feeling. Use this technique before and during performances to boost confidence. Meditation is most effective when practiced regularly. Aim to meditate for at least 10 minutes daily. Schedule it like any other part of your training regimen. Consistency is key to experiencing the benefits. Hear from various athletes who have incorporated meditation into their training and how it has positively impacted their sports performance. From basketball players to marathon runners, the benefits are widespread and profound. To conclude, integrating mindfulness and meditation into your athletic training can provide significant advantages. Remember, the mind is as vital as the body in sports. Any questions or thoughts? Let's discuss them now. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your athletic performance through mindfulness.